Welcome to our channel. Hey DIYers, are you tired of using the same old tools and feeling stuck halfway through your projects? Imagine having tools that not only make your work faster, but also take your creativity to the next level. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today we're diving into 5 insanely cool tools on Amazon that will save you time and make your work look ultra professional. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, these tools are going to change the game. Now, let's get started. Number 1. PROXXON Belt Sander BSE 38536. The PROXXON Belt Sander BSE 38536 is a versatile, precision tool designed for hobbyists and professionals alike. Featuring a 120-volt AC power source and a robust 10-amp current, it ensures reliable performance for detailed sanding tasks. The medium grit sanding belt is ideal for shaping, smoothing, and finishing wood, metal, or plastic with exceptional control. Its compact, ergonomic design allows for easy handling in tight spaces, making it perfect for intricate jobs like furniture restoration or model building. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the adjustable belt position provides flexibility for various applications. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional craftsman, the PROXXON BSE is a dependable choice for achieving precision and smooth finishes effortlessly. Number 2. AGAWA Boreal 21 Folding Bow Saw. The AGAWA Boreal 21 Folding Bow Saw is the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and DIYers. With its sleek black frame and vibrant yellow handle, this 21-inch saw combines durability and portability. Its stainless steel all-purpose blade effortlessly cuts through wood, nylon, fiberglass, and aluminum, making it perfect for camping, trail clearing, or backyard projects. The saw folds compactly for easy storage, and its tool-free setup ensures quick deployment in the field. The ergonomic yellow handle offers a secure grip for efficient and comfortable cutting. Built by AGAWA Canyon, this manual-powered bow saw is lightweight yet robust, ideal for rugged conditions. Whether on a camping trip or tackling tough chores, the Boreal 21 delivers unmatched reliability and precision. Number 3. NoCry Professional Gel Knee Pads. Protect your knees with the NoCry Professional Gel Knee Pads, designed for durability and all-day comfort. Featuring a soft foam and gel cushion, these knee pads provide superior protection during intense tasks like construction, gardening, or flooring. The heavy-duty cap shields your knees from rough surfaces, while the adjustable straps ensure a snug, slip-free fit for both men and women. Built with military-grade rivets and durable 600D polyester, they're made to last through tough jobs. The buckle closure makes them easy to wear and secure. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these black knee pads are your perfect partner for comfort and safety. Stay protected, stay productive with NoCry. Number 4. CAMO Drive Deck Tool. The CAMO Drive Deck Tool is a revolutionary stand-up drilling system designed to make decking projects faster, easier, and more professional. This versatile tool streamlines edge, clip, and face fastening, allowing you to complete your deck with precision and minimal effort. Its ergonomic stand-up design reduces strain, letting you install decking while standing comfortably. The CAMO Drive works seamlessly with camo fasteners and clips, ensuring a clean, flawless finish every time. It's compatible with most decking materials, including wood, composite, and PVC, making it perfect for any project. With adjustable settings, a durable build, and user-friendly operation, the CAMO Drive is a must-have for DIYers and professionals looking to save time without compromising on quality. Number 5. Worx 20-volt JawSaw Cordless Chainsaw WG320. The Worx 20-volt JawSaw Cordless Chainsaw WG320 is the ultimate tool for safe and efficient tree trimming, pruning, and cutting. Powered by a 20-volt battery, it delivers cordless convenience and portability, making outdoor tasks effortless. Its innovative JawSaw design encloses the blade, offering unmatched safety during operation, while the 1-horsepower motor provides robust cutting performance. Weighing just 11.2 pounds, it's lightweight yet powerful, perfect for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. With dimensions of 33.46 by 10.4 by 8.07 inches, the compact design ensures easy handling and storage. Plus, it's part of the Worx PowerShare system, meaning the battery is interchangeable with other Worx tools. Battery and charger are included, making this a reliable, ready-to-use solution for any cutting job. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.